Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pizza peel is probably one of the most essential tools for any home pizza chef, transforming your oven-to-table experience from a precarious balancing act into a seamless culinary performance. Imagine effortlessly sliding your perfectly crafted pizza from a scorching hot oven onto your cutting board or serving platter without a single topping falling off or the crust tearing. That's the magic a quality pizza peel brings to your kitchen, making every pizza night a gourmet event. Number 5. A HOMEFAVOR Perforated Pizza Peel. Experience superior quality with our pizza peel, crafted from hard anodized aluminum. This durable tool is designed to last significantly longer than standard peels, ensuring reliability for all your baking adventures. Easily maneuver pizzas, bread, or pies in hot ovens with the extended handle. It provides a safe distance, giving you enhanced control and comfort while baking. Achieve a crispier, more flavorful pizza thanks to the perforated head. This design reduces excess flour or cornmeal, preventing sticking and ensuring a perfect bake every time. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with its lightweight design and silicone handle. It's perfect for all oven types, from wood-fired to electric, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Surprise the pizza enthusiast in your life with this practical and thoughtful gift. It simplifies the baking process, making homemade pizza even more enjoyable. To ensure longevity, avoid leaving it in a hot oven during preheating or baking. This will prevent warping and damage, keeping your tool in top condition for years to come. What we like. This pizza peel is crafted from premium anodized aluminum, ensuring durability and preventing dough oxidation. Its perforated rectangular head reduces flour usage for crispier crusts, and the long handle keeps you safe from the heat. If you're looking for a professional-grade tool that offers both performance and safety for frequent pizza making, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The segments of the handle screw together tightly and feel completely solid. The quality was great with no damage or imperfections. The peel itself is stiff but thin and with a beveled edge so you can prep a pizza on the counter, lift up the edge of the dough, and with one quick and strong motion slide the peel under the pizza before taking it to the oven. This peel made a big difference in how cleanly I can slide pizzas in and out of the oven. It's lightweight but doesn't feel flimsy, and the perforated design helps keep excess flour off the bottom of the crust. The long handle also keeps your hands safely away from the heat. All of that has changed with this perforated peel. I made my pizza on a wooden board with nothing but a light sprinkle of flour. After adding the toppings, I could shove the new peel under the pizza effortlessly. Number 4. Pizza Peel's Metal Pizza Steel for Oven. Introducing our durable and reliable pizza peel. It's designed for ease of use, comfortable handling, and convenient storage. This tool is perfect for anyone who loves making pizza at home. Its thoughtful design caters to both beginners and experienced chefs. Experience the difference with our newly upgraded design. The shovel body is securely connected by rivets, ensuring it's strong and built to last. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this pizza peel is an essential tool for achieving that perfect pizza crust. Its durability is unmatched. We stand behind our product and value your satisfaction. Enjoy a worry-free purchase with our refund and replacement guarantee. What we like. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel with a durable rivet connection, this pizza peel is built to last. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to store, and it offers a comfortable, secure grip. If you need a reliable and space-saving pizza peel for everyday use in your kitchen, this durable option is ideal. What people say. I also love that it is foldable, which makes it easy to store and easy to clean. Great quality. Perfect for our home as we make pizza on a regular. I love how sturdy it is, and how it folds for easier storage. Works great for indoor or outdoor ovens. Cleans up easily. Number 3. Biconimi Elite Sliding Pizza Peel. Introducing the Biconimi Elite Sliding Pizza Peel. Its innovative sliding mechanism makes transferring your pizza into the oven incredibly easy, eliminating sticking issues common with traditional peels. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with its natural hardwood handle. This design keeps you at a safe distance from the heat, enhancing your baking experience. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, this pizza peel is built for stability and longevity. It resists warping, rust, and corrosion, even under high temperatures. The high-temperature resistant baking cloth ensures your pizza dough never sticks. Enjoy a smooth, easy-to-clean surface that guarantees your pizza slides off perfectly every time. This pizza peel comes with thoughtful accessories, making it a perfect gift for any pizza enthusiast. Upgrade your home pizza making experience today. What we like. Experience effortless pizza transfers with its innovative sliding mechanism and a high-temperature resistant non-stick baking cloth. The durable 304 stainless steel frame resists warping, and it even comes with a pizza cutter and other useful accessories. If you want a seamless pizza transfer experience and appreciate the convenience of included tools, this peel is perfect for you. What people say. No flour or cornmeal needed. Slide it up and slide it off. Success the first time I used it. This pizza slider is essential for us in making our own pizzas with a pizza oven. It makes even the most poorly prepared dough effortless to get into the oven. This device makes the process extraordinarily easy. Number 2. 12-inch bamboo pizza peel. Introducing the ultimate pizza shovel, meticulously designed for exceptional ease of use. This versatile kitchen tool also doubles as an elegant serving platter, elevating your pizza-making experience. Crafted to be incredibly lightweight, it eliminates concerns about thickness or handle length. Its ergonomic design guarantees a comfortable and secure grip for everyone. We've refined this accessory for a superior experience with a slimmer profile for delicate handling. The extended handle offers a secure and comfortable grip, ensuring a seamless pizza-making process. Elevate your pizza experience with this innovative tool that also serves as a stylish platter. Its smooth transition from kitchen to table enhances your dining moments. It excels at its primary task, effortlessly sliding under your pizza for easy oven placement. Its thin design and extended handle offer precise control, making it perfect for any pizza enthusiast. What we like. This pizza peel is made from lightweight bamboo with easy glide edges, making it exceptionally easy to use for both transferring and serving. Its slim profile and comfortable grip ensure delicate handling. If you appreciate a natural material and a tool that doubles as an elegant serving platter, this bamboo peel is a fantastic choice for a stylish pizza experience. What people say. Works great, and already getting the burnt front end of the peel to have that professional look. The bamboo peel is gorgeous, very nicely finished and packaged well. Number 1. New Star Foodservice 50226 Wooden Pizza Peel. Introducing our restaurant-grade wooden pizza peel, crafted from sturdy, durable, and lightweight basswood. Its fine, even texture ensures it won't crack or secrete oils into your food, setting it apart from ordinary pinewood peels. The tapered half-inch blade is expertly designed to slide easily under your pizza. This allows you to lift it effortlessly, even from a distance. Unlike other peels, its smooth, even texture guarantees it remains free of secreting oils. This ensures your food stays pure and untainted. This versatile tool is perfect for more than just pizza. Use it to lift cakes, bread, cupcakes, or muffin pans right out of the oven. Its design keeps your hands and arms safely away from the oven's heat. Cleaning is simple, as it only requires hand washing. This peel is available in various lengths and sizes to suit your needs. Enjoy professional quality in your own kitchen. What we like. Crafted from sturdy, durable basswood with a fine, even texture, this pizza peel avoids secreting oils that can affect your food. Its tapered blade is designed for easy sliding under pizzas. If you prioritize a natural, food-safe material and a peel that's specifically designed for effortless lifting and a clean taste, this restaurant-grade wooden peel is the one to consider. What people say. This board has worked so smoothly for pizza launches and I haven't ever had a problem with the dough sticking to the board. I only dust the board lightly with flour before launching it into the oven and it slides right off every time. The sturdy wooden construction feels durable and well made. The 14x12 plate is the perfect size for transferring pizzas in and out of the oven. The long handle provides good leverage, making it easy to maneuver the peel. Wooden are the best as they have natural air pockets, followed by the metal with holes and last the plain metal ones. Highly recommend this. Even though it is large, it is not too heavy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.